Halloween, and I have 3 spooky Halloween crafts that you and your little one can do together that are really simple to do, but are also lots of fun. So before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela, this is Ava, and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle, so make sure, what do they need to do? Click that subscribe button down below. First up, should we get going with our crafts? So for this first craft, we are gonna be making some popsicle stick spooky monsters. So this is really easy. Let me just get the supplies because they're pretty much everything that you already have around the house. So for these popsicle stick monsters, first thing you need are popsicle sticks. Now I found this bag of popsicle sticks and they are already pre-colored, which is kind of cool. So they have red, yellow, blue, and green popsicle sticks, but you can use your own, like just regular colored, normal popsicle sticks. You need some hot glue, and the hot glue is for only the parents to do first. Then you need some spooky, can you get those out and show everybody? Okay, I won't let you show everybody. What do they need? You're crazy. You need some spooky eyes, and then you need some regular good old craft glue and a Sharpie.
That's mine.
Yes, so the first thing that you're gonna do is decide what color you want your spooky monsters to be. Now I am gonna go with a blue and a green and a yellow. However, I don't want this to be yellow, I want this to be orange. So I'm actually gonna get Ava to paint these popsicle sticks together. But while she's doing that, I'm gonna explain to you what you need to do first up. This is the step just for the mums and dads. I want you to take this orange, and I want you to paint the popsicle sticks orange, just like that for mommy, okay? Okay, so Ava's gonna be changing these yellow popsicle sticks to orange for me. While she's doing that, I'm gonna insert some footage here of what I did to glue these popsicle sticks together. So you need 7 popsicle sticks in total. You are gonna take some hot glue and glue 6 of the popsicle sticks together on the inside edges. Then with the 7th popsicle stick, you're gonna take some glue and run it along the back and paste it on the diagonal to reinforce this little face for our spooky, spooky monsters. After it's nice and cool and dry, it is time to get your little ones involved. So we are gonna be making a Frankenstein, a pumpkin, and then a spooky monster. Okay, so Ava's now transformed our yellow popsicle sticks to orange. So we're gonna let this orange one dry and we're gonna get going on our other spooky monsters. Okay, so let's start out with our Frankenstein. I want you to glue the 2 Frankenstein eyes down on your Frankenstein, okay? Anything you wanna do, go for it. Ready? Yeah? Okay, glue the other one.
Happy Halloween.
Can you do this? You gotta draw some hair on our Frankenstein, okay? Okay, draw some hair on your Frankenstein. Good, okay. Now, is that funny? Can you draw him a mouth?
A happy face.
You want him to be a happy Frankenstein? Okay, now our Frankenstein needs some stitches, right? because he's kind of spooky. That's awesome. There's Ava's little Frankenstein. So for this guy, I have not just the big eyes, but a pack of all different googly eyes. So I want you to glue a bunch of googly eyes all over our crazy monster. Okay, so we are now done. Who's this? Frankenstein. Oh, I like his name better. Franken. We've done Franken. Woo! And then what's your googly-eyed name? What's your monster's name?
Googly eye.
Googly eye. We've done googly eye. Now our popsicle sticks are dry. It's time to do our pumpkin. And for the pumpkin, all you need is a Sharpie. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask Ava to draw a pumpkin face on here. I'm gonna ask her to do 2 triangles and then a smile, and then that completes our little popsicle stick Halloween.
That's his teeth. This bottom teeth, and this is the top.
Perfect. Okay, and this is Ava's pumpkin. Woo! She's calling it Shaggy. So we got Shaggy the pumpkin, Franken the Frankenstein, and Googly the googly eye. Which one's your favorite, Ava? Which one do you think? Or do you think Shaggy? Shaggy's your favorite? Shaggy, so super cute, super simple little craft to do. Are you ready to move on to the next one?
Yeah!
Holy cow. Here we go. For this next craft, we are going to be making a, what do you think?
Pumpkin!
No, we're going to be making a ghost. Woo! Woo! So this is really easy, and also what's good about this is that it's going to encourage your little ones' scissor skills and cutting skills. So the first thing I did on this big white piece of paper is I just drew a terrible outline of a ghost. I'm using some canvas paper so the Crayola scissors don't work. So I'm just gonna cut out this. But while I cut out this, I'm gonna get Ava to cut out the next thing. So what I've done is I've drawn 3 circles on this black construction paper for the eyes and the mouth of the ghost. Can you cut those out with your scissors? And I'm gonna cut out the ghost. Okay.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Ava to start gluing these cotton balls all over the ghost. All right, so Ava has covered her ghost with her cotton balls. Now we need to put the face on your ghost. Okay, so okay, can you put glue? So these are the eyes. You gotta put the eyes on your ghosty and then put the mouth on ghosty. So can you put glue on them? Should we show everybody? Woo! 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 Ghosty the ghost! All right, so for this next craft, my friend Tanis actually sent this to me. Her little one did it in preschool. And she knows that I like doing crafts with Ava, so she sent it along to me. Courtesy the Painted Wombat YYC. So I'm gonna tag her down below in the description. She's on Instagram, and this craft originated with her. So this looks like so much fun. First things first, change out of your nice clothes, put on some paint-friendly clothes, and these are the items that you're gonna need for this craft. You need some miniature pumpkins. So I had these from Thanksgiving. They've lived a long life. Now it's time to change them up. So pumpkins, you need some ready to pour acrylic paint. You can use a Dixie cup, a paper cup. I'm just gonna use these solo cups. So you're gonna place your pumpkin over top. And then you also need a foil tray. I would recommend probably a lasagna tray. I don't have one, so I'm gonna be using these two. And that is it, easy as that. Okay, so we're gonna head on outside for this craft, but let me show you what we need to do. So you're gonna place a solo cup in the foil tray with your pumpkin of choice over top. Then using another solo cup, I'm going to pour in some of this acrylic paint and I'm gonna layer in the different colors. So Ava has so many different colors. So we actually have some of these paints lying around from another craft. So she has fluorescent orange, blue, we got pink, green, and then we have another blue, kind of like a baby pink, orange, yellow, and white. So what you want to do is you want to pour your acrylic paint into a separate cup and you want to layer the colors. Once you get it to where you like it, you then are going to pour the paint over the top of the pumpkin and it's going to create this cool marbled effect. And I cannot wait to do this. It's going to be so much fun. So let's get changed and head on outside. Ready? Want to pour with Mom? High five! That one's so cool! Alright, so Miss Muffet, what was your favorite craft that we did? The ghost! Woo! Alright, so we've done our little popsicle stick crafts, we've done our ghost, and then we did our marbled pumpkins, which turned out pretty cool. Now, to be honest, I did not have enough paint because I used up some pourable acrylic paint left over from another craft. That's really important. You need pourable acrylic paint. But Ava, did you have fun painting the pumpkins? Yeah, it turned out pretty cool. I liked it better on the white pumpkins and the orange, but make sure you check out that Painted Wombat Instagram page because she has a lot of cool crafts on there. Hey, but Ava, we have to say Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
From our family to yours, I hope you guys have a great, safe Halloween. Trick-or-treating, whatever it is you plan on doing, but let me know down in the comments below if you plan on doing any of these crafts, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!